To use the silo in Farming Simulator 25, first, if you want to fill the silo with the grain from your trailer, you will need to drive your tractor with the trailer onto the plate in front of the silo. So let's do that. Make sure that the trailer is actually on that plate, and then we can press U to change from which direction the crops will fall onto the silo. And I want to go with the back like this, and now we need to click and hold Control I, or actually just press on it once, and it will begin unloading your crops into the silo. Make sure that those crops can actually fit in the silo, otherwise they will just stay there. And yeah, just make sure that they are fit to go into the silo. Now let's close our trailer like that, and to fill our trailer with, for example, wheat that we have in our silo, we need to click on R button when we're under that pipe with the trailer, just like that. Then select the crop that you want to fill the trailer with and click on start when you have that crop, and it should be filled.